pressure, no more time. Can we make a move?
Hello guys, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again. Yeah, so it's Esther here again. Yeah guys, so guys, I've been at my friend's place so yeah, finally today Daudu is coming to join me. I've been having fun here but yeah, I've missed him so much. He's coming to join me today, and today is December 31st actually, so we'll be crossing over together. So I'm so grateful to God that we're able to see the end of this year and we're all crossing over together to next year. God has been so faithful. Like, we can't even thank him enough. I'm so happy. So yeah guys, I'll take you through this vlog. I think we have some things to do today, tonight, and this might actually be our New Year vlog, like crossing over and then till January 1st. So we'll just show you guys everything. We'll be going back home together tomorrow. So yeah, I brought like big luggage, like big box, because I wanted to come and take some pictures here in Tokyo. So that's why he's actually even coming to help me out with the load and all. So we hope you guys enjoy, and when he comes I'm going to show him Princess. She has been taking good care of me.
So guys, she actually made my hair. Oh, come
on. You're looking so cute.
Thank you. This is my natural hair.
Yeah, it's looking so long.
Thank you.
Oh, the Tokyo family.
Subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, yeah. Guess who is here? You guys can see me. I say guess. He has finally come.
I'm in the building. Here. I'm in the big.
I've missed you.
I missed you too, babe.
Yeah, Princess has been taking care of me.
I know. I told her to.
Yeah.
I personally messaged her. Princess, please take good care of my baby.
That's so. Anyway, well done. Yeah, tell them, what are we doing now?
Now?
Yeah, what are we doing? We're going out now.
Oh, yeah. So currently, like, we're going bowling. Actually, I don't know how to bowl.
We're all going to try, including Princess. We're going together. We're going bowling, and afterwards, we're coming back home for
the New Year's crossover.
The New Year crossover. Pray our way to the New Year. Why are you dancing? Give us I don't have your strength. You have come. Too much energy. Oh yeah. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick intro. We're leaving now. We'll see you guys when we get there.
Back. Peace out. Love you.
Yeah.
Catch ya later.
Which way are we going? Look at my people.
You did not cut it. Did you cut it?
You don't come to the place.
Hey. Wow, this is so nice. Hey. Let's go. Yay! Look at that.
Games. Yeah, how many? Nanko.
Yeah.
One game is this.
For the bowling?
Yeah. One game is this. So if you want to do 2 or more games, then you pay.
26 is okay. 26.5 is okay as well.
Oh, okay.
She just brought it down.
Which one do you want?
26.5. See what I said. Okay. So his own size is not here.
Oh. Okay.
He had to bring out his own. So we're here and getting go, babe. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Go then. Well done.
Just roll it well. Yeah.
At least the one is good. It's not going good. Even if it's one.
Whoa.
I did it. Everything.
You did everything.
Everything.
Oh yeah, princess, your turn.
No, second.
No, you don't do second time. You cleared everything now.
cleared
Yes,
everything.
now.
Wow.
She said, wow. No cross line, no. No. Stay middle. Oh yeah, go.
Go, princess. Go, princess. Go. Oh yeah, no vex. Don't go, princess. Wow! Wow! Oh, they cancelled it. Oh no. Okay.
But your name is not there, sorry. I am B. I am B.
It's a lie. I am
It's me that is B. I am
It's a
B
lie.
now.
I am B.
Yes, it's me that is B. You see, must not cause me B. It's like D. You see, I am B. I am B.
I'm the one going first though.
I am the winner B.
You still have opportunity to catch us, so
B.
calm down. You still have opportunity. She's the winner today. I just let you win.
Yeah! And yeah, happy New Year, guys. This is going to have a little bit of fun for the night before we go back home. Let's do it together. Ready? So next, this is our next stop, karaoke, guys. Look at how cute it is. Ooh. Ready to go in for a second round. Can you guys see my face? My head is feeling oily. Guys, on this show. Hey D. Hey D. Okay. Oh, I'm not seeing you. Give us. Go baby. So guys, we're there already. We're about to go inside.
So is it our own right? Is it our own?
Yes, ma'am.
We're about to go in.
It's nice though.
Mm.
I never take a now go say no.
Dancing in the dark, you between my hands, barefoot on the ground, perfect night.
Side when you say it's over. Back in the morning, always time. Oh, when I went away for doing my first crime, I never thought that we would see each other.
And then I came out,
Mommy moved me down south. Oh, I was with my girl, who I thought was my one. It came out to be that she was the girl for me. She's very fine, girl. You're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. Oh, love, my baby is driving me crazy.
Way too
Next time, but when another second, cause the way you hold me, feel so holy. They say we're too young and the parents on the play. I say don't go crushing. Wise men say food rushing, but I don't know. They say we're too young and the parents on the play. I say don't go rushing. Wise men say food rushing, but I don't know. Shanks, the rapper, the first that pleases the Father. Might be the hardest to take, but when you come out of water, I'm a believer, my heart is fleshy. Life is sharp with a temper like Joe Pesci. They always come and see your praises, your name is catchy, but they don't see you how I see you, Pali and Desi. Cross 2020, yes, hit the chest beat when they get messy, they get lefty, like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the best spot, or rent a jet ski. I know the spot get the best week, we gonna next week. I wanna honor you, bridegroom, I'm the father's child. I know when the son takes the first time my father's father. If you make it to the water, he will part the club. I know he made you, it's like how to proud. So right to be so now I'm gonna clean it up. Couple lights and you know you communion, you can trust. I know I live in you like I know he ain't living us. I know we believe in God and I know God believe in us. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Hold me, makes me feel holy. That was so nice at the end.
So guys, we are done. It was so fun. My throat is paining me actually. So probably see you guys when we get back home, or we just end it for today. Yeah, let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything nice. So this is a really beautiful place. Yeah. Yeah guys, we're finally done and we're going home now. It was so much fun. We had so much fun in this place, especially me. I stayed for a while, so I had so much fun. And you guys, please check out Princess channel, Princess Minate. Subscribe to our channel and check her out. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy New Year to all our subscribers. We love you all. Don't forget to share our videos and let's have fun this year. Goodbye.